Today we're going to talk about how to make money blogging by writing sponsored posts. As your blog grows in popularity, you can expect to receive multiple sponsored post requests per day from a variety of companies. These native ads can be a highly effective way for businesses to reach out to their target audience in a non-threatening manner, and they can be a highly effective way for you to make a lot of money. When accepting sponsored posts, make sure that the posts are actually interesting and relevant to your audience, and that the sponsored nature of the post is fully disclosed. Writing sponsored posts not only opens up a whole new avenue for increasing your income, but it's also a great way to form new partnerships and provide useful content and products to your readers. You will be responsible for sharing and marketing a product or service to a public audience when you write sponsored posts. You will be compensated and often given the opportunity to test free items and services in exchange for representing a company's product or service and spreading the word. When you promote content on behalf of a brand, you are referred to as a brand ambassador or influencer. There are numerous methods for establishing yourself as a brand ambassador. Companies will be looking for engaging comments from both you and your audience. They will want to see that you consistently provide valuable and engaging content to your readers. Monthly traffic and page views are not as important as audience engagement. Before you approach brands, you should have at least 5,000 unique visitors to your blogs each month. As your blog traffic grows month after month, you will have a much better chance of securing a brand partnership. In some cases, if you have a highly targeted niche blog with a very engaged audience, you can get away with having less traffic. As your blog grows in popularity, you will need to create a media kit. A media kit functions similarly to a job application for your website. It tells a brand representative or sponsor everything they need to know about your website. The media kit should include basic elements such as your blog's general overview of topics, statistics, and previous collaborations, as well as a sales pitch outlining how you intend to market the brand and why the partnership is beneficial to all parties involved. Once you've assembled a solid media kit, you can begin registering with a variety of brand network websites. Typically, you begin by creating an influencer profile and uploading information about your social media presence, as well as blog statistics. Reach out to small businesses and startups for a faster return so that you can monetize your blogs once your blog is relatively established and generating sufficient traffic, rather than large corporations with a well-established brand and online presence. Smaller businesses are typically more eager to increase brand exposure and will respond much faster than a large corporation. Securing marketing contracts with small businesses requires fewer hoops to jump through, and you are often paid much faster than with large corporations. When communicating with smaller businesses, keep your communications factual, brief, and straight to the point. Introduce yourself and your website, tell the company why you like their products or services, express your desire to collaborate, and show them how you intend to increase their brand exposure through your sponsored post. You will demonstrate expertise and professionalism if you include your blog media kit. Once you've secured a new partnership with a brand, you must present it to your followers in a non-intrusive manner. Transparency is frequently the key to retaining your audience and expanding brand exposure. Inform your audience that the content is sponsored. Give an honest and positive review of the company and how their service or products benefited or improved your life. A call to action can be interpreted by readers as a direct sales pitch. Your readers are much more likely to sign up or purchase if you tell a story or paint a vivid picture of how the product or service has positively impacted your life. While most brands will respond within a week, others may take much longer or not respond at all. Sending a follow-up email to a potential sponsor is perfectly acceptable. Don't be offended if a brand expresses no interest in collaborating. Opinions and budgets differ greatly from one company to the next. Persistence and perseverance are essential in securing the ideal brand partnership. Always be on the lookout for companies that would benefit from the exposure provided by your blog post. If you found this video helpful, click on the like button and subscribe to Shaun Academy, an extension for education.